This is Brian McGlenn here with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida, standing next to a 2024 Aviara 36-foot outboard. Really unique and sharp-looking boat. As you can see here, we have a dark two-tone hull side with color-matched Mercury 300 V8s. We're going to take you through a very quick walkthrough of this boat to show you a couple of really cool features, and we'd love to invite you by to see it in person. Standing here in the back, as you can see, we have a very unique setup. We actually have stadium style seating, so these will fold down. However, with the backrest folded up, we pop up the seats to the level of your desire, and now you have stadium style seating facing back towards the aft portion of the boat. Aviara is all about maximizing space, comfort, fit and finish, durability. So as we walk in here into the cockpit, you'll notice a very spacious area with L-shaped style seating here on the port side. Reversible backrest that faces forward, or you flip it the opposite direction to expand your space here in the social area here in the cockpit. Over on the starboard side, we have an area that we've really maximized for entertainment. So we have a beautiful sink, a grill, nice little cooler, 2 refrigerators, and a pull-out cooler. As we stand here facing forward at the helm, we have a great line of sight forward with a state-of-the-art electronics package. So we have all digital switching, Simrad electronics, Blenco automatic trim tabs, Mercury throttles, joystick, so all of the best when it comes to technology. And then one thing you'll note as we walk up here to the bow, notice the height of the gunnels maintains the same height, so you have a super safe area with really deep seating. So as you're sitting here, this is actually a great performing boat out in the ocean. We have a nice cabin downstairs, sleeping for 2, private head, air conditioning, and a lot more. Again, this is just a very quick walkthrough of the Aviara 36-foot outboard. We'd love to show you this boat in person. Please come and see us or give us a call at MarineMax in Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn, 772-287-4495.